In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell and swap tokens on Zerion. To get started, open your web browser and search for Zerion. In the results, click the official listing that says Zerion, crypto wallet for Solana, Ethereum, DeFi. This takes you to Zerion's homepage, where you can access the tools you'll use to view your assets and make trades. From the homepage, click Track Portfolio. This opens the app interface and gives you a clear view of your holdings and networks. You'll also see the main navigation for actions like buying, bridging, and of course swapping. Now, click Swap. If you're not already connected, the app may prompt you to connect a wallet. Simply follow the on-screen instructions for your preferred wallet provider and make sure you're on the correct network for the tokens you plan to trade. On the swap screen, start with the Pay With section. Click it to choose the token you want to sell. You can search by name or symbol, and if needed, switch to the network where that token exists. Before moving on, take a moment to verify your balance and note that you should leave a small amount of the network's native token for gas fees. For example, keep a bit of ETH on Ethereum or SOL on Solana so your transaction can process. Next, type in the amount you want to swap. You can enter a specific number, use a percentage of your balance, or switch to entering the amount you want to receive later. If you're trading a volatile token, consider entering a slightly smaller amount to leave room for gas and potential price movement. Now click the Receive field and choose the token you want to get. You can search for stablecoins, popular assets, or any supported token. After selecting it, review the quote Zerion provides. Check the exchange rate, estimated fees, price impact, and minimum received. If the market is moving quickly, you can adjust slippage tolerance in the settings to improve your chances of a successful fill, though higher slippage increases the risk of a worse price. When everything looks right, click Swap. Your wallet will pop up asking you to confirm. If it's your first time swapping a particular token, you may be asked to approve it first, then confirm the swap. Wait for the transaction to complete and you'll see a confirmation in Zerion. Your new tokens should appear in your portfolio shortly. And that's it, you've successfully sold and swapped tokens on Zerion.